Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are staying very fit and healthy these days. Please take precautions. Myself, Ms. Surbhi Sharma from Shivjyoti Educational Group. Okay, so today we are going to start with GK class 4. Okay, so further we are going to read about chapter 19. Previous chapters we have already done. Chapter 19, that is fruits and vegetables. Okay, now what do you understand by fruits and vegetables? You all consume it, you all eat fruits, you all like fruits and vegetables, but I think many of you don't eat vegetables. Okay, but you have to include both of these things in your diet because they are very nutritious. Okay, and it is a rich source of vitamins and minerals. Okay, so at a regular basis you all should include fruits and vegetables in your diet. Now let's read about some vegetables and fruits. How much do you know about fruits and vegetables? How much you know? Yes, we are going to read in this chapter that which fruit is rich in which vitamin and minerals. Take a quiz and answer the following questions with the help of the help box. Help box has been given to you down. Now let's start. First one is name a fruit that starts with A. It is white on the inside and can be red, yellow or green on the outside. That is apple. Red apple is there, yellow or green apple is also there, and it is a rich source of vitamin C and high in fiber also. Okay, and see, it is a saying, an apple a day keeps a doctor away. You all must have heard this. So that is an apple. You all must consume one apple each day. Second one is name a sharp tasting vegetable that starts with O. It grows underground. Which is that vegetable? You all must eat also in your daily salads. That is onion. Okay, that is rich in vitamin C and B6. Name a long thin fruit that starts with B. It is yellow on the outside and white in the inside. That is banana, again rich in potassium. Fourth one, name a long thin orange vegetable that grows underground. It starts with C. That is carrot. Carrot is a rich source of vitamins and minerals. Fifth one, name a tiny round green vegetable that grows in pots. It starts with P. Peas. That is matar. Okay, you all must be liking it. Okay, so this one is basically rich in protein. Sixth one, name a sweet red fruit that starts with S. That is strawberry. Strawberry, you all must be loving it. Okay, it is there in red in color. Seventh one, name a vegetable that is brown on the outside and white in the inside. It grows underground and starts with P. आप सबकी फेवरेट होती है, that is potato. Eighth one, name a purple vegetable that starts with E. That is eggplant. Ninth one, name a juicy fruit that starts with G. It can be yellow or pink and sometimes squirts and when you eat it. That is grapes. Grapes again rich in vitamin C and it is very good for your bones also. 10th one, name a sour yellow fruit that starts with L. That is lemon. Okay, you all must be enjoying shikanji in summers, so that is made with lemon. Okay, so no matter it is strawberry, lemon, grapes or potato or any of the fruit, you should include fruits and vegetables in your daily diet because it is rich in vitamins and minerals. Next we are going to start with chapter 20, that is yoga. Now what do you all understand by yoga? Many of your parents must be doing it on a regular basis. Okay, and a yoga or an exercise you also must include in your daily routine because it is very good for your health. Okay, so we are going to read about some asanas in this chapter, some asanas of yoga in this chapter. Yoga is a good practice to live healthy. If you want a healthy living, you all should practice yoga and you all should include yoga in your daily routine. Yoga originated in India. The various poses in yoga are called asanas. How about finding out the Sanskrit names of these poses? Identify the asanas by their given pictures and take right on their correct names. So first one is, you can see the image. Okay, the girl is balancing herself on one leg and one hand and stretched oppositely, very straight. First one is Ardha Chadrasana or Chopasana. That is first. A1 is the right answer. Second one, you can again see hands are stretched upwards. Okay, and the next back leg, the one leg is there on back position. So first is Chaturanga Dandasana and Anjaneyasana. So answer B is the correct option. Third one, you can see she is there in a chair position. Okay, and thoda sa aage bend down ho rahi hai and she has stretched her hands. A first is Makarasana and B is Utkatasana. So the answer point B will be the correct answer. Fourth one, okay, so you can see this image again. She has stretched her legs upwards and her hands straightwards. Okay, so which is this asana? A is Baddha Konasana or B Paripurna Navasana. So the B will be the correct option. Fifth one, you can see this one is very difficult. She has balanced herself on both her hands. Okay, you can see this image. You all must try this also. Okay, so A Mayurasana and B Baddha Konasana. So the A will be the correct option. Sixth one, you can see. Okay, you can see how she has bent. Okay, she has touched her hands on the back of her legs. Okay, pura flexible. You can see the curve she has made. So A Urdhva Dhanurasana or Urdhva Mukha Savasana. You can see this is taking the shape of Dhanush. You can see Dhanush, you all know. So the A1 will be the right answer, that is Urdhva Dhanurasana. So this is all. You can all please write down the spellings very carefully, and just for your fun, okay, you all should practice yoga. Okay, so let's meet in the next session. This is all for today. Thank you.